believe me, it has been a beginning. It is a beginning. I don't think there ever will be an end, not as long as man is alive and willing.
Constellation is NASA's program to return humans to exploring beyond low Earth orbit. We've begun with the end in mind of exploring Mars and understanding what is it that we need to learn between now and then in order to be able to do that safely and effectively. We have three different, what we refer to as design reference missions. The first one is servicing the International Space Station. Insert into orbit, rendezvous and dock with the International Space Station, stay up to 180 days or more at the International Space Station, and then return that crew to the surface of the Earth. Design reference mission number 2 would be to do a 7-day mission to the Moon. Design reference mission number 3 is sort of a combination of those first two, because we're doing essentially the same functions that are in the space station mission and in the lunar 7-day mission, but now we're having crews stay on the lunar surface for up to 6 months at a lunar outpost. We have a very rich heritage of human and robotic exploration of the solar system. The extent of our reach was the moon in generations past with humans. The constellation is about reaching beyond that.
The Orion system is basically the capsule and the supporting system that'll get the crew into space, into docking with the ISS, and eventually onto the moon. So that's where the crew sits. That's where the crew does its job. On Apollo, we had a capsule shape, and in that mission also we were going to the moon. This is different now because the mission on the moon is different. We're now going global access on the moon, meaning we want to be able to go to the poles where we might find the ice and those kind of things, which will help us sustain ourselves there longer. To do that requires a different vehicle, right? More propellant than we had on Apollo.